Manchester in 2025 is not only a city of music, football, and history, it is also a meeting point of hundreds of different cultures. And when night falls, it is the women carrying within them this cultural diversity who create a nightlife that is unique, vibrant, and unmistakable compared to anything else. At major clubs like Factory or Hidden, easily spotted Manchester girls, blonde hair, fair skin, radiant smiles. They dance with freedom, confidence, and are always ready to pull you into the circle of music. Right beside them, you might see groups of Spanish or Italian women, bringing the fire and charm of the Mediterranean, their sun-kissed skin, and captivating eyes. The allure also comes from Asian women, many of whom are international students in Manchester. Dressed in modern outfits, accented with subtle traditional accessories, they present a fascinating contrast, gentle yet rebellious. They blend in quickly, and once they step onto the dance floor, there's no longer a line between local and visitor. Canal Street, the heart of the LGBTQ+ community, is perhaps the clearest symbol of this diversity. Here you'll find strong women, unafraid to express themselves. Some wear sleek suits, others opt for daring neon outfits. Whatever the style, they radiate a special kind of charm born from freedom. On the streets, especially around Piccadilly at dawn, international groups merge together. A chic French girl clinking glasses with a fiery Brazilian, Japanese friends laughing alongside Manchester girls in streetwear. Together, they paint a global picture, one where everyone is connected by music and joy. What leaves the strongest impression is not just appearances, but attitude. The women here, no matter where they come from, share the same spirit, living each moment to the fullest. For them, nightlife is not only about partying, but also about connecting, sharing, and expressing cultural identity. That is why Manchester Nightlife in 2025 has become lively, cultural. At the center of this scene are the women who make every experience